How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of a hickey step-by-step instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So how do you get rid of a hickey? Getting rid of a hickey is super easy. Go inside your kitchen, get a spoon. Wherever the hickey is, this works anywhere on the body. Most hickeys are on the neck though. So get the spoon and then just rub the hickey back and forth for 5 minutes straight. After 5 minutes, you should see that hickey as you're rubbing slowly fading. And after 5 minutes, it should be gone. If it's not gone for some reason, just rub for another 3 minutes and it'll be gone for sure. What we're doing is we're just rubbing the area, and that puts blood flow into the area. And a bruise, the reason why it's bruised is it's not getting enough blood flow. So the minute it gets enough blood flow, it goes away. So all you have to do is force the blood flow and the bruise will go away. It's super simple. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.